Today we are going to unbox the hands-free handswear, the new launched smartwatch Q2. It has IPS 1.28-inch round HD display with full touchscreen. Let's take a peek at the box. Q2 comes in two colors, black and gold. Okay, let's move on closer to take a look at the watch inside the box. After opening the box, we obviously see the Q2 first. Then, the user's instruction and a magnetic charging cable are included. Q2 smartwatch has two different colors. One is a black round dial with a black TPU strap, which exudes strong masculinity. And the other one is a golden round dial with a leather strap in apricot color, which looks so natural elegance. Feels like the watch face does not fit with your dressing style today. It's okay. There are more than 80 watch faces to choose from. You can also customize the watch face to show your personal style. Goals can be set. Q2 will record your steps, distance, and calories, so you can try to set a goal for your maximum performance. Q2 becomes your smart notification reminder. You will receive all notifications on your phone through Q2. If it is not convenient for you to receive the call, you can decline the call via Q2. The Q2 with its built-in PPG sensor will accurately measure your real-time heart rate and also your blood oxygen level. While measuring, make sure that the sensor is close to the wristing that the PPG sensor's screen light can cover, and then keep it for 30 seconds. Too concentrated at work and forgetting to stand up and move around, let Q2 remind you. Q2 uses a 2-pogo pin magnetic charging cable to charge. It can last for 7 working days after fully charged. You don't need to charge it every day. Too tired to go to work on the weekdays? Try to have some workouts on the weekends. Q2 has 6 training sport modes, which are running, cycling, skipping, badminton, table tennis, and tennis. You will find the exercise stages data, real-time heart rate, duration, and calories. Q2 has an integrated sleep tracker function to identify your daily sleeping status. You can find the analysis data report on the app, so you can improve your sleeping quality after that. There is also a weather function that allows you to check it out, so you can choose the suitable dressing to start your new day. Okay, this is the unboxing video of Q2. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button. Or you want to find out more details, please take a look at the section below. Have any questions? Please comment below as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.